Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your videos on the Videoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should tap on this filters button down below. If you click on the presets button, you are going to see that you have a bunch of filters that you can choose from, organized into distinct categories. Here, after tapping on the relevant one, you can adjust it to your video by the help of this slide. And as you go back, you can also adjust its intensity, again by the help of this scale. And you can also select the animation information. You can make it fade in or fade out. And so on. So if you want to place it within the video, just simply hold your finger on this icon in the middle of the screen, and then you can make it shorter or longer, as you can see. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.